Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I'm greatly appreciative. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that'll take you directly to the product page, where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I'm going to share with you is a really nice pair of headphones, and this is by a company called SHOKZ. And essentially, they are some bone convection headphones. Now, if you're not aware of what bone convection headphones are, is they use the bone outside your ear to transfer the sounds instead of going through your eardrums, which is just an absolute great way of listening to music, especially if you are a person that likes to work out or run, because you can hear what's going around you, but you get to really experience that music. So once you open it up, obviously it's gonna come with instructions, but it's gonna come with this nice little carrying bag. You're gonna get the little headphones here, and then you're gonna get a magnetic charging cable. This is just a USB cable, plug it into an outlet, and then it clips right here on the side of the headphones themselves. And as you can see, they are super small, very, very flexible, which is another great reason of why they're great for runners in sports activity. They also have a weather rating, so they're great for working out if it starts raining on you or you get sweat on them. You're gonna be good with that aspect of it. So when you put them on, they're just gonna sit here and they're gonna go around the back of your neck. This is a nice wide part here, so they're gonna be flexible for pretty much any type of head size. And then they're just gonna pitch here right kind of in front of your ears, and then they sit in the front. And so it's sending those vibrations through your little bone here, and that's what's making you hear the music. Now, these particular headphones, they sound absolutely amazing. They have a great bass sound to them and a rich music sound to them, so you're not losing that sound quality by not having them in your ear. Now, one of the things I love about them is, once again, you're exposed. So if you are out there, you're running or you're bike riding, you can hear the traffic around you. You can hear somebody approach you, which is a great safety aspect. As far as controls, super easy to control. On the bottom side is basically the power button. Simply hold that down to turn it on, and then if you're pairing, go ahead and activate the pairing mode with the power button, and then you have a plus and minus button to go ahead and adjust the volume of the headphones themselves. Now, they're going to come in a lot of colors. The ones I have here are the nice blue ones, and as you can see, the band is a little darker blue, and then the part of the speaker is a little bit a lighter blue aspect. You're also going to have a side button here on the headphones themselves, and that's for basically activating any phone calls or anything like that, because you can obviously pair this to your phone and you can activate that and then answer any calls and whatnot. So, and that's where the manual does come in handy, because it kind of tells you all the little control aspects, but super, super easy to utilize. They sound absolutely great. As far as battery life, they last about 8 hours. Now, that is going to depend on how often, if you're using them for phone calls and music, but you're going to get a full day's charge out of them, which is another nice aspect. But if you are in the market and you're looking for a pair of headphones and you're looking for something that basically is very comfortable to wear, especially when you're working out, and allows you to hear the environment around you, these are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.